I told you guys that we took in on trade, actually the one Chuck and I were sitting in yesterday for the Tech Tuesday show. Navigation car, automatic, miles in the 30s, pricing in the mid-20s. Chuck's done with his used car inspection. He's going to do an alignment like he always does. Morning, Chuck. Doing great, man. Good. Hey, do you like white cake or chocolate cake? No, seriously, somebody wants to actually send us a cake.
White.
White cake? Oh, okay. No, not for what you thought. I missed that opportunity, but somebody goes, oh, what kind of cake do you guys like? You know, I'll send you a cake. I'm like, okay, well, I don't know. I'll ask him. There you go. Hi everybody and welcome to my Corvette channel. My name is Rick Conti. It's great just to be here with you guys. I appreciate you taking the time to check in. And this channel is just about Corvette. And we're busy sharing all aspects of the Corvette lifestyle. And I like to have fun, get a little creative, as you guys saw on Sunday. But it's not just about me, it's about you. And it's about us and our love affair for this car and the journey that it takes us on and the memories that we create. I've got a new feature, always thinking outside the box. I've got a new feature coming to the channel that will be something that I'll facilitate, but again, it will involve you. And I just know you're going to enjoy it, and I will travel to make this happen. So we'll let you guys know that either tomorrow or Friday. Got a lot of stuff planned for you guys. In fact, this Sunday we'll have a little bit of a different setting on our Coffee with Conti show, and that's when I'm going to share with you what I ordered and what I didn't order for my 2021 C8 Corvette. And for the things that we do here on the channel, I hope that, yes, it informs you guys, we entertain you, I earn your viewership, you subscribe to our channel, you come back and you share in all kinds of things Corvette. All right, so moving forward for today, it was a year ago today that my son Ryan sat in his first ever C8 Corvette. Look at this picture and you can tell that his butt's feeling pretty good in that seat. Absolutely. Well, 2 weeks from today, Ryan will be down in Bowling Green, Kentucky with me, and we're going to let him drive the C8 on the NCM's Motorsports Complex that's across the street from the museum. That's going to be a thrill that I'm going to do all I can to capture and share that with you guys on the channel. Now, if you've never been there before, there's more than just car events going on there. Check out this promo video for the NCM Motorsports Park. Yeah, you can tell that is a bucket list item that you need to check that box. Now, just last week, one of our great friends and customers here at Coughlin, Mark Thomas, Gary Thompson, and Chuck Elliser, they were there driving C8s on the track. Although the weather sucked, it was still a great time. So today on the channel, we're going to share with you some PDR footage and some conversation with Mark about his experience at the NCM Motorsports Park. so you guys saw that PDR footage. Driving in the rain. The key is you're driving a C8 Corvette. So I know the weather was not the best, but dude, you got to drive a C8 on the track. What are your thoughts? That's the first time you actually got to drive one.
Now, I've driven a couple of them here locally.
Oh, you know what? I forgot about that. Yeah, you got a hold of Jim's car, but in the track environment, you wanted to kind of let loose a little bit. I forgot about that. Yeah.
Yeah, it was an unbelievable experience at the National Corvette Museum.
Okay.
The first session out, it wasn't raining. It was pouring. I've never seen it rain so hard.
You had me for a second. I'm like, when I was looking at it, it looked like it was raining pretty good.
No, it was pouring down rain.
Yeah.
The first 20-minute session was white knuckles. I mean, scared to death. The second time we went out, the track didn't have the huge puddles. It wasn't raining. It was just sprinkling.
Right.
So we had a little bit more opportunity to get into the car. And then they kept us inside and didn't send us out for the third session right away. And finally, when we went out, the track was wet, but there wasn't puddles.
Okay.
So we were able to really get into it. On the straightaway, we were able to hit about 120, I think it was, on the front straightaway. What's really amazing is you're going into the turns, that dual clutch.
Yes.
I don't see how you could do it any better yourself with the paddle shifters.
Yeah.
I mean, you could feel that thing going doom, 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 just downshifting like crazy.
Yeah, that's what I asked you when I was watching it. I thought that you were using the paddle shift. You said, no, that's the DCT. That's doing it all. It was awesome. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yes, it was a great experience. I'm going to watch and go back one more time. Only I'm going to watch the weather and try to take a slot when they have an empty slot and the weather's dry. Because I can't imagine. I mean, we were getting into it, but it was just amazing. And it had the GT2 seats. And it was really, really good.
Now, as far as the actual purchases, as far as the NCM motorsports packages, what was that? I mean, because I'm doing the touring one with my son Ryan. Did you do the one where you got a little bit more laps? You did like
this is called
$800?
the C8 Experience. It's $799.
Okay, you put a more
and it's
bigger
3
one.
20-minute sessions on the track and 3 20-minute classroom sessions also.
Okay.
So they talk about the turn, the different steps in the turn. If you've been out to Spring Mountain a bunch, you're not going to learn a whole lot in the class, but you're going to have a hell of a good time on the track.
It's great that they're doing that.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, Gary Thompson, Chuck Ellis, and I went down, and we had a blast.
That's good. Well, thanks for sharing that with us, buddy.
Thank you, Rick.
All right, dude. I enjoy this part, walking and talking and vlogging. Thanks for joining us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the upload. Also coming here the next couple of days, not sure which day, but very, very soon, I sold a C6 yellow ZR1 to a really nice guy in Pennsylvania. He took it to Pocono Raceway. We've got some video footage of that. Oh, wow, what a nice job. You guys are really going to enjoy that. And I hope you enjoy this new feature that we're coming up with that we're also going to be talking about here in the next couple of days. Tomorrow, it's another upload. It's all about Corvette. Thanks for your support. Thanks for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, but real quick, I did forget to mention our first 2 C8 Corvette convertibles have been shipped. They'll be here any day. I know a lot of folks wanted to physically see a convertible in person right here at our store. So if you're in the area, they should be here any day.